This video shows how to buy shares of SR Bancorp Inc., ticker SRBK. SR Bancorp is a regional bank listed on NASDAQ, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To purchase SRBK, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your identity, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SRBK to locate the stock. Choose the listing that matches SR Bancorp Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm it's the correct SR Bancorp Inc. listing. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker SRBK. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be scheduled or queued, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to explore the platform.